Hey, morning guys. I just wanted to show you this quick little video of how to do your ears setup boxes for your TikTok for the ears. Have my ruler right here, and typically for a 9 by 12 paper, you want to split it up by 3 inches, since I'm going to go towards the long side. So I'm gonna split it in dashes here with my ruler, where I'm gonna start off with a pencil and do 3-inch marks. Okay, so that's 3 inches there. And of course, you know, whenever it comes to the rule, I wanna make sure I'm lined up correctly with everything. So I am lined up here. I'm very picky when it comes to the ruler, just to make sure we're straight with everything. Now, then where it comes to the 9-inch side, I divide 9 by 2, that's 4.5 inches. So I'm gonna make sure I'm right at the middle of the 4.5-inch mark here. See if y'all can see it from here. Then I am going to line it up to make sure I'm making my template box. So I now have my title area over here. You don't have to write that down. That's just so you know where it's at. Then we have step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and step 6. So now that I have my boxes traced out, let's remember you need to make sure you're using a black marker, either the Sharpie Ultra Fine Point pen, to make sure you're tracing out your boxes. So boxes are traced out. Then I am gonna go ahead and use my Sharpie Ultra Fine Point pen to trace out my step 1. You also want to make sure you're erasing any other pencil lines left so you don't see that residue, the pencil lines on your paper, because we are doing it to be neat and practicing good craftsmanship. Okay. So this is how you will set up your box, your TikTok for the ears. The ears is the only one that's going to have 6 boxes. Okay. Now let's say you have a smaller sketchbook. So what I would recommend for the smaller sketchbook is make sure your paper is, you're doing it horizontally, and you are going to probably maybe split the paper in half, maybe do it about half. I think that's about right. And then you'll make your steps. That looks about halfway down. And you want to label it step 1 and step 2. Title will be right over here. Then on your next sheet of paper, what you can do is split this in 4 ways. Trying to make sure I'm being equal. Then you will also label it step 3, step 4, step 5, and step 6. So then that will also entail with using the ruler, and I got a black skinny marker to individualize my boxes. Or you can use your Sharpie Ultra Fine Point pen as well. So that basically to be continues if you have like one of those smaller sketchbooks. I am going to go ahead and do step 1, step 2. And make sure you want to create a box for where your steps are laid out. So that is how you will be able to set up your TikTok for your mouth, or for the ears, excuse me. Okay, that's about it. If you don't have a ruler, you know, just use a folded sheet of paper that can help you out as a ruler. Make sure you're bringing all your materials to class. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.